people find it very difficult to remove image background, okay, the background image. Some people find it very difficult to remove it, but in this channel I'll be teaching you how you can remove it in 5 seconds. And also, if you follow me to the end of this video, I'll also show you how you can make a lot of cash with it. Okay, we have been making money with this, but I say let me teach you guys how you can do it also, so that we can win together. Okay, this is the purpose of my channel, to show you how you can do it yourself, and once you do what I'm about to teach you, you get exactly the same result. Okay, so welcome to Online Money Hunter. My name still remains Nzekoye Karafel, the dude that left home to feed home. In this channel, what I teach is how to make money online. Okay, how to make money online. So if you are one of us, let me see you subscribe to this channel, comment, and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload this video, you will be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch will make you be the first person to make money online. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's go there. Okay, let's go to my let's go here. This is my browser. Okay, the name of this website that we use to remove background image is called remove.bg. okay, remove.bg. that's the name of this website, this wonderful website. Okay, this is the name of this wonderful website. Okay, as you can see, remove image background, 100% automatically and free. Okay, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. You can do the same thing those people are doing here. Okay, and I will show you the practical way, how you can do the same thing, how you can get the same result, all these results. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I want this video to be very short. Okay, so let's upload video and I will show you the magic here. Okay, so let's start with this image. I love this. Okay, I love this handbag. I will buy it to my mom. I will order it now. Okay, let's just click on it. Boom! Can you see this? Can you see how this image, the background are removed? Can you see the original one? See the removed one? Wow, this is wonderful. Okay, you can also do some touch on it. You can like edit it. See the magic. Can you see the magic? You can leave it this way, you can leave it this way, you can leave it this way, or you can go back and go down and do this one. Wow, this is wonderful. This is excellent. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try another one. A lot of people have been paying thousands of dollars just to purchase software to do this, but here I will teach you the easiest and simple way to do it, and you still get the same result. You will still get the same result. If you want it to be white, can you see this? This is what a lot of people have been paying people to do for them. Can you see this? This is wonderful. Can you see it? This is wonderful. Okay, this is wonderful. If you want to leave it white, you can leave it. If you want to leave it black, any color of your choice. Okay, after this, you just download it. Easy way to download. Just click download. Wow, can you see our work? Can you see our work here? Very fantastic and easy to do. Okay, very easy. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try another one for you to see that everything is real and easy to do. Okay, let's try this one. Open. Can you see it? Let's remove all this. Can you see this? You can download it like this, or if you want to edit some things, you can just click here, leave it this way, leave it this way, leave it this way, or anyhow you want to leave it. Okay, this is wonderful. Can you see it? Very neat. Even with all this professional software, you cannot do the same thing. With that is it will be very difficult to do it because you must have knowledge of it. But this one, even a novice can do this. Even a novice can do the same thing. Okay. Wow, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. Okay, if you find this video interesting, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you'll be the first person, to take action. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and also comment on the comment below and tell me what you feel in this video. If you don't like the video, just tell me what I can do to improve, because we are all learning. Okay, so please help me to help you. Okay, if you have any question, you make sure you just comment on the comment below and tell me what you want me, and also like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other people. Okay, because a lot of people need this thing that we are doing here. So make sure you join us and join hands together so that you can win together. Okay, I want us to win together. Okay, let me download this one. Downloading. Wow, this is wonderful. Can you see the image? Very sweet. Very sweet. Very sweet. Okay, let's try again one more time for you to see. I fell in love with this, because the stuff here is that you will also enjoy doing it and you will enjoy the money too. Okay, you can make more than $700 in just a month just by doing this, and there's nothing like difficult thing on it. You can just, once someone order this, you can just do it and send it back. Okay, and the money will be yours. Okay, it's very easy and simple. Okay, let's just do some touch on this. We can leave it like this. We can also leave it like this. Okay, we can also leave it like this. Okay, any color of your choice. You can also change the color, depends on what your client asks you to do. Okay, wow, this is wonderful. Okay, let's download this one. Let's just download this one. Wow. Okay, like I promised you that I will show you how you can make a lot of money with this. Okay, let me show you how you can make a lot of money, and I will show you people that have been doing this and how much they make. Okay, that's what I show everybody in my channel. I show you practical way, and if it's not working, I will not come here to show you how to do it, because it's working. That's why I come here to show you exactly how you can do it and get the same results. Okay, all you need to do is just to find any. Okay, let's just go to Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr is a marketplace where you can sell your goods and services. Okay, where you can sell services. Okay, let me log in. We are here. Okay, a lot of people have been making money here. As you can see, this person have completed 600 work. Okay, let me view him or her, sorry. Okay, I will cut off image, remove BG. Okay, transparent background fast. Okay, the same thing we are talking about. See people that have been cashing out with it. As you can see, it fast delivering, background remover. Wow, and this person have completed like 600 work. Okay, all you need to do is just to come here and create a gig. create a gig like this and try and put some image like this, all this fancy image. You can do the same thing this person did here, just attractive image, so that people will like it. And you know, even if you start today, you will make money with it, because a lot of people have very attractive stuff like this. Okay, so all you need to do is just to, you know, create something like this and you start making money. Once somebody ordered stuff like this, you just go to remove.bg, okay, and do the work. Okay, let's just, this person have completed 600 work here, and this guy is at level 2 seller. Okay, let's just do some math. Run. Okay, let's just, this is just basic is $5, standard is $35, just standard, and premium is $65. For me to show you that those people are making money, let's just check $35. Okay, let's just check the standard. Okay, that's $35 times, that's 600. We give you how much? Wow, 21. Can you see? 21,000. Okay, let's just check basic. Okay, basic, that's $5 times 600. Can you see? 3,000. That's what this guy made. $3,000. So I'm just trying to show you that a lot of people have been doing it and making money. So why won't you make money if you try your own? You will make money. The only thing you need to do is just to create your gig, and if you want to create, in the description you will see how to create a gig, or you will also see how to, you know, join Fiverr. Okay, you also see how to, okay, this is feedback, everything was great, I would be happy to hire him again. Wow, this is wonderful. That's to show you that a lot of people, and wherever you are, you can make money with this. Whether you are African, whether you're American, wherever you are, you will make money with this. Okay, all you need to do is just to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel, because I have a lot of videos on how you can make money. Okay, if you don't like this one, I have a lot of videos that you may like. Okay, so all I do here is that I show you practical way on how you can make money, and I will show you people that are making money with this particular stuff I'm showing you. Okay, so all I show you here is that I show you exactly how you can make money online. Okay, that's what I show you here. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also like this video and also comment, so that YouTube will recommend it to other people. Okay, because I know that a lot of people need help. Okay, so liking and commenting will make people to reach this video, and for them to reach it, you help a brother. Okay, so thank you, and have a good day ahead.